Solve the equation. The cubed root of 5x is equal to the cubed root of 2x minus 3. In order to solve, we need to get rid of these cubed roots. We'll do that by cubing both sides of this equation. So let's take the left-hand side, the cubed root of 5x, and cube it. We'll take the right-hand side as well, the cubed root of 2x minus 3, and cube it also. Raise both sides to the third power. Well, the cubed root of a quantity raised to the third power is going to equal that quantity, in this case 5x. Same thing on the right-hand side. The cubed root of 2x minus 3, quantity cubed, is equal to 2x minus 3. Now let's solve our resulting equation. Subtract 2x from both sides, giving 3x is equal to negative 3, or x is equal to negative 1. Here is our proposed solution. Now, anytime that we use our power rule in solving equations and do things like raising both sides to the third power, that can possibly introduce answers that don't work in the original equation. So always check them. Let's check x equal negative 1 in that original equation. So is the cubed root of 5 times x, in other words, 5 times negative 1, equal to the cubed root of 2 times x, or 2 times negative 1, minus 3. On the left, we get a cubed root of negative 5. On the right, that's a cubed root of negative 2 minus 3, or negative 5 also. This is a true statement. Our proposed solution is indeed a solution of our original equation. Let's summarize and say that the solution set is negative 1.